So, why does God allow growth to happen slowly?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because the book of Mark moves quickly through action, challenges, healing, and learning moments with Jesus. Let's slow down and look carefully. Even though many dramatic events happen fast, the disciples themselves still grow slowly over time. This might surprise you. The brain usually learns through repetition, mistakes, reflection, and repeated emotional experiences. Most people miss this part. The disciples often misunderstood things at first, but Jesus kept teaching impatiently again and again. Here is the deeper layer. God allows growth to happen slowly because deep emotional and spiritual change usually develops step by step over time.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Mark shows people learning through action, confusion, failure, and repeated experiences with Jesus. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. The disciples were slowly developing courage, wisdom, and emotional resilience. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Even after miracles and powerful lessons, the disciples still struggled with fear and misunderstanding. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Emotional maturity slowly develops through repeated learning moments and honest reflection. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still become frustrated when growth, healing, or learning feels slower than expected. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated faithful experiences slowly train the brain toward wisdom, patience, and stronger emotional stability.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated learning experiences slowly strengthen neural pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns through repetition, emotion, and practice. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Fear and discouragement slowly increase when stressful thinking repeats constantly. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Courage and emotional resilience slowly strengthen through repeated practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more confident or more emotionally reactive over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny repeated choices quietly reshape the brain, emotional health, and character.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People often expect instant success and become discouraged when learning takes time. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Frustration and impatience can quickly weaken motivation. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly affects focus, confidence, and decision-making. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated quitting or avoidance slowly weakens emotional resilience. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Fast technology and instant entertainment often train people to expect quick results all the time.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Emotional growth usually starts quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily faithful habits slowly build wisdom and resilience. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns healthier emotional and behavioral responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Patience and courage slowly become easier through repeated practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny drops of water slowly fill a huge bucket over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during frustration or discouragement. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional honesty helps the brain process challenges more clearly. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one steady step matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Growth usually develops slowly through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small faithful habits slowly strengthen emotional resilience and wisdom.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Continue one healthy habit today even if progress feels slow. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to, even one steady effort matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when frustration or impatience begins affecting your choices. 4. Adjust without quitting, emotional growth usually happens through repeated small decisions. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again, small faithful habits slowly create stronger patience and emotional resilience. Remember, strong emotional and spiritual growth usually happens slowly through small repeated choices over time. God stays close during confusion, learning, and gradual growth, especially when people keep moving forward faithfully. Every small faithful and consistent decision is helping your brain, emotions, and character grow stronger and wiser each day. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.